10 top doomsday survival gear and gadgets you need 2025. Did you know that over 70% of the world's population lives in areas that are vulnerable to natural disasters, civil unrest, or other emergency situations? In a world that feels more unpredictable by the day, it's never been more crucial to prepare for the unexpected. Whether it's an apocalyptic event, a survivalist situation, or just being ready for the worst, having the right survival gear can make all the difference in whether you're caught off guard or standing strong. Today, we're diving deep into 10 of the most essential doomsday survival gadgets and gear you'll need in 2025. These tools will ensure that no matter what happens, you'll be ready to face anything. Garmin Tactics Delta Solar Watch. The Garmin Tactics Delta Solar Watch is designed for those who need both ruggedness and precision in a survival situation. It's equipped with solar charging, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery when you're in the wild. With its built-in GPS and topographic maps, you can track your location and navigate through unfamiliar terrain. The watch also includes a barometer and altimeter, helping you assess elevation and weather changes, crucial for survival. Plus, its military-grade design makes it resistant to extreme conditions, ensuring it won't break when you need it most. When you're lost or stranded, this watch could be your lifeline, guiding you to safety and ensuring you stay on course. Jetboil Minimo Cooking System. The Jetboil Minimo is a compact and efficient cooking system, perfect for survival situations where portability is key. It boils water in just 2 minutes, making it a fast and reliable option for preparing meals or purifying water. Its regulated burner allows you to control the heat, giving you flexibility for both quick meals and slow cooking. Whether you're in extreme weather or high altitudes, this stove works efficiently, providing consistent performance. Herein, the fact that the stove doesn't work in professional kitchens will set the scene of the post-World War II Buffalo environment of the time and instead represent the post-World War II Buffalo environment of the time, where many of the stoves were packed in heat and that in turn prevented fry from proving good. Apparently, like I said, the stoves work in frying, they work in lots of other ways too. The entire system is lightweight and easy to pack, so you won't be weighed down. In a survival scenario, having a hot meal or drink can provide vital energy and morale boost. This system ensures you're prepared. Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter. Starting a fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help, and the Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter guarantees that you'll be able to do just that in any condition. It features a magnesium fire starter rod that creates a spark hot enough to ignite tinder even when the weather is wet or windy. The tool includes a ferrocerium rod, which provides thousands of strikes, ensuring you won't run out of fire-starting power in a pinch. It's compact, durable, and easy to use, making it ideal for emergency situations. The included whistle adds extra utility for signaling in case you need rescue. This simple yet powerful tool ensures that, no matter the conditions, you'll always have the ability to make fire when you need it most. Lifestraw Flex Advanced Water Filter. The Lifestraw Flex Advanced Water Filter is a must-have for any survival kit, allowing you to drink directly from contaminated water sources without the risk of getting sick. This portable filter removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, making even the dirtiest water safe to consume. The advanced version also comes with a gravity bag for filtering larger quantities of water, ideal for cooking or refilling water bottles. It's lightweight and easy to use, providing peace of mind during emergencies. Imagine having no access to clean water. This filter gives you the ability to drink safely wherever you are. In survival situations, water is critical, and the Lifestraw Flex ensures you can stay hydrated without worry. Night Eyes Steely Car Mount Kit. When you're on the move, whether during a disaster evacuation or just a long road trip, having a reliable phone mount is essential for hands-free navigation. The Night Eyes Steely Car Mount Kit offers an innovative magnetic system that securely holds your phone in place. Its strong magnets ensure your device stays in position, even on bumpy roads or rugged terrain. Unlike traditional mounts, the Steely system allows for smooth, 360-degree rotation, making it easy to adjust your phone's position for the best view. It's compatible with most phones and cases and can be quickly installed in your car or RV. Whether you need to use your phone for GPS or hands-free communication, this mount ensures you're safe and focused on the road. Biolyte Solar Home 620. The Biolyte Solar Home 620 is an off-grid power solution that provides electricity, lighting, and communication all in one package. Powered by solar energy, this system can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously and provide bright LED lighting to illuminate your living space. It includes a solar panel that collects energy during the day and stores it in an integrated battery pack for use at night. The system also features a Bluetooth speaker for entertainment and an FM radio for staying informed in an emergency. In an off-grid or survival scenario, the Biolyte Solar Home can provide much-needed electricity for both basic needs and morale. Vargo Titanium Hexagon Wood Stove. The Vargo Titanium Hexagon Wood Stove, designed for survivalists who need a compact yet efficient heating solution. Additionally, Walter also has a collection of made from titanium. This stove can withstand extreme heat and rough conditions while being light enough to carry on long trips. The hexagonal design maximizes airflow for a more efficient burn, allowing you to cook with minimal fuel. It's designed to burn natural materials like twigs and small branches, meaning you won't need to carry extra fuel. Just use what's around you. It folds flat for easy packing, making it ideal for backcountry camping or emergency preparedness. In an off-the-grid situation, having a stove that's both portable and fuel-efficient is invaluable, allowing you to cook meals and stay warm without heavy fuel. Leatherman Tread Bracelet Multi-Tool. When it comes to survival tools, convenience is key, and the Leatherman Tread Bracelet Multi-Tool takes that to a whole new level. This bracelet is not just a piece of jewelry. It's a wearable tool that includes 29 different tools, from screwdrivers and wrenches to bottle openers and a mini knife. The Tread is designed to be modular so you can customize it based on your needs, making it a versatile tool for any situation. It's made of stainless steel, ensuring that it's both strong and durable, and is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're building a shelter, repairing gear, or need a tool in an emergency, the Leatherman Tread is always within reach. This is the ultimate tool for hands-free survival gear, ensuring that you're never without a tool when you need one. First Aid Only 299-piece all-purpose first aid kit. Emergencies are unpredictable, but having a comprehensive first aid kit is one of the best ways to ensure you're ready for whatever comes your way. The First Aid Only 299-piece all-purpose first aid kit includes everything from bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and even a cold compress. It's packed with enough supplies to treat a variety of injuries, from minor cuts and bruises to more serious wounds, making it an essential for both home and travel. The kit is organized in a durable, compact case, ensuring that all items are easy to access in stressful situations. Whether you're dealing with a sprained ankle, a burn, or a more severe injury, this kit has the tools to help stabilize the situation until professional medical help arrives. When every second counts, this first aid kit ensures you're prepared to handle injuries and keep everyone safe. Coughlin's Deluxe Emergency Kit last, but not least, the Coughlin's Deluxe Emergency Kit is a compact, comprehensive survival package that can provide essential tools and supplies when disaster strikes. Packed with items like a whistle, emergency blanket, first aid supplies, and fire starters, this kit covers the basic survival needs that could make all the difference in a crisis. It's designed for easy transport, with everything fitting neatly into a compact, zippered bag that can easily be stowed in your car, backpack, or emergency go bag. The emergency blanket can retain body heat in cold conditions, while the whistle helps signal for rescue. Every item included in the kit is selected to help you survive in extreme conditions, whether you're lost, stranded, or facing a natural disaster. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more survival tips and gear reviews. The world's unpredictable. Staying prepared is your best defense. Stay safe and stay ready.